Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. Today, in this detailed video, we will show you two simple and easy methods to pay with Cash App in-store without a card. Making payment at any store with the Cash App card is super easy. You just swipe the card and you're done. But what if you don't have your Cash App card with you? That can make things a bit tricky. Don't worry. In this detailed video, we'll show you two simple methods to pay with Cash App in a store without a card. Whether you forgot your card at home or don't have one, these methods will help you complete your purchase smoothly. So stay tuned and watch till the end. To explain both methods with the help of graphics, we have brought you to this website. The name of this website is Cabbage Loan Guide. On this website, look at the right hand side, where you will find hundreds of articles related to Cash App. One of these articles is titled How to Pay with Cash App on Phone in Stores. 3 Unrevealed Methods. This article explains in detail the two methods that allow us to make a payment in stores using Cash App without a card. If we scroll down in this article, we can see a section explaining what Cash App is and how it works. Further down, it describes the benefits of using Cash App for shopping in stores. As we scroll even further, we find a subheading titled How to Pay with Cash App on Phone in Stores. In this section, 3 methods are mentioned, but only 2 of them are useful for us. The first method explains how to connect your Cash App card to Apple Pay, which require a Cash App card. Since we are looking for methods that do not require a card, this method is not useful for us. Now let's move directly to method number 2, which is username, cash tag, mobile number, and email address. This method is useful for us. To use this method, go to any store and first open your Cash App. On the home page, you will see 2 buttons, Request and Pay. You need to click on Pay. Once you click on Pay, 4 options will appear on your screen: name, cash tag, mobile number, email address. As shown in this image, you can clearly understand this method with the help of graphics. If the store accepts Cash App payments, you can simply enter any of these 4 details, add a small note, and complete your payment. Now, let's talk about the next method, which is by scanning a QR code. On the Cash App homepage, look at the top left corner where you will see a scan icon. Click on this icon and scan the merchant's QR code. Once the QR code is scanned successfully, you can complete your payment. This entire process is explained in detail in the article. You will find the link to this article in the description. You can read the article for detailed information, and if you prefer, you can also watch the video tutorial available there. So, friends, these are 2 simple methods that allow you to make payments in stores using Cash App without a card. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.